end of a car's life doesn't have to mean waste. Crushers reveal the strange beauty of destruction. Cars collapsing, steel beams snapping, rocks crumbling, and concrete shattering. Terrifying yet mesmerizing, because every impact makes recycling come alive. In the past, press or prototype cars without VINs were usually dismantled manually, wasting resources. Today, modern shredding technology allows fast processing, legal compliance, and maximizes recycling value of metal, aluminum, and copper, glass, and plastic. This BMW was crushed for that exact reason. It had no legal identifier to be driven. Crushing broken appliances is not just a tank's power show, but also highlights the importance of recycling. After crushing, steel and aluminum are sorted and remelted to produce new raw materials. Each cycle helps reduce ore mining, saves thousands of kilowatt-hours of energy, and significantly limits CO2 emissions into the global environment. Destroying a luxury car may feel wasteful, but it's part of a sustainable cycle. Recycling old vehicles reduces pollution, limits iron ore mining, and saves thousands of kilowatt-hours of energy. This Mercedes, once crushed, continues living in new buildings, equipment, or vehicles. Turning a log into wood chips not only eliminates waste, but also creates economic value. Chips feed paper mills and biomass power plants, generating dual profits. A machine like the Diamant 2000 transforms natural resources into a sustainable industrial value chain.
Derrière.
Mercedes cars are known for rigid frames, but under a multi-ton steel claw, engineering standards collapse. The crane's kinetic energy converts into concentrated pressure, crushing the chassis. It's a vivid demonstration of the difference between road safety design and industrial mechanical power.
Cool.
Wooden pallets may look sturdy, but under the massive torque of an electric motor, every plank breaks apart quickly. The shredder works through rotational inertia and synchronized cutting force, turning fragmented structures into uniform wood chips for industrial recycling. The Caterpillar 826G with Karen trash blade wheels delivers immense compaction force thanks to its multi-ton weight. The momentum of its wheels not only crushes waste but increases landfill density by 20 to 30%. This saves landfill space, an overlooked but crucial factor. Lion Shredder Evo runs dual inverters pushing two 90-kilowatt motors, delivering brutal torque at low 20 revolutions per minute. Its hardened alloy cutters chew rubber tracks without stalling, outperforming typical EU machines. Japan's Nihama built this beast to set a new industrial benchmark. The PowerScreen XH500 impact crusher runs with a 500 horsepower Caterpillar engine, delivering torque above 2,000 Newton meters. Its blow bars are forged from manganese steel, spinning rotors at 900 revolutions per minute. Compared with older standards, it shreds granite twice faster with reduced fuel. motor's energy doesn't go straight into cutting speed, but into splitting wood along its grain. With slow rotation, yet strong pull, the fibers separate without excess heat. This method saves power and extends blade life, a precise application of physics in recycling. A washing machine once cleaned life's mess. Now it's swallowed by steel jaws. Crushing feels like endings, yet its shredded fragments become beginnings elsewhere. Industry mirrors life. Destruction and rebirth coexist, proving even collapse can feed tomorrow's construction of resilience. Watching this monster crush copper radiators and stainless scraps feels both terrifying and strangely satisfying. The slow, relentless spin triggers fear, yet the perfect fragmentation sparks relief. See, it's like a live therapy session where chaos turns into neat little pieces. From the operator's seat, the Cat C-18 hum feels alive. Every lever pulled sends 730 horses roaring through the shafts. Sweat mixes with diesel scent. Pride rises as junk transforms. This isn't just work. It's commanding controlled industrial fury. This recycling line runs 4 tons per hour, powered by a 250 kilowatt motor delivering massive torque to hardened steel blades. Its hydraulic separation ensures copper and aluminum split cleanly. Compared to standard 150 kilowatt shredders, this system meets industrial benchmarks while maximizing energy efficiency. The SR400 grinding plastic isn't just mechanical. It's a metaphor. Old forms break apart, reshaped into something new. Like life itself, destruction isn't the end, but a step toward renewal. Every crushed bottle whispers, endings can also become the seeds of beginnings. Scrapping A-class units saves Pacific National huge storage costs. Each shredded locomotive yields tons of recyclable steel, copper, and aluminum. In 2019, processed scrap hovered around $300 per ton, making dismantling not just practical, but profitable in Australia's recycling chain. From the operator's seat, the B1350DD hums like a beast under control. Every lever pull unleashes torque tearing rubber apart. It feels like commanding a storm, yet knowing each fragment leaving the screen supports recycling goals, turning hard labor into meaningful contribution. The Hyzohack chipper uses a high-speed drum combined with alloy blades. Kinetic energy from the main shaft processes logs up to 80 centimeters into uniform chips. Few realize the blades require sharpening every 10 to 15 hours to maintain efficiency. Imagine pairing the Bonfiglioli Squalo with AI sensors predicting blade wear and robotic arms feeding cars. Future shears could adjust hydraulic pressure in real time, saving energy by 20%. Recycling might soon look less like brute force, more like precision surgery. Pallet's end feels like rebirth. Crushing symbolizes destruction, yet from fragments comes raw potential. Just like life, sometimes you must break down to rebuild stronger, with renewed purpose and shape in the industrial cycle. The M&J 4000M packs a 355 kilowatt engine, delivering up to 240,000 Newton meters torque at low RPM. Its hardened steel blades slice massive paper rolls effortlessly. Compared to ISO shredding standards, Denmark's design offers unmatched durability, efficiency, and reduced cutter wear. The operator starts the BB200 Raptor, hearing its motor roar like thunder. Each bundle drops, crushed under hydraulic force, sparks flying. He knows the rhythm, trusts the German steel inside. To him, it's not destruction, it's daily work, pride, and responsibility combined. Each shredded ton of aluminum mud yields valuable secondary raw material. With recycled aluminum averaging $1,600 per ton, a twin-shaft shredder quickly pays for its $1 million price tag. Operating costs stay low because hydraulic drive reduces energy spikes during heavy loads. The heavy flywheel's momentum allows the crusher to maintain inertia, reducing peak energy demand from the motor. As the jaw closes, compressive forces can reach tens of megapascals. And this shows how basic physics, inertia and friction, transforms into industrial strength. A sofa may look worthless, but recycling tells another story. Shredded wood chips become fuel, steel springs fetch scrap value, and foam padding re-enters insulation markets. Machines like this turn bulky trash into profit, strengthening the recycling supply chain. From the operator's seat, the Bematic B850 feels alive. Levers hum, Hydraulics pulse. Cutters roar through PVC pipes. So each shift brings a mountain of scrap. And this machine never complains, just grinds relentlessly. To the crew, it's less a tool than an iron partner. The CBI 5400 grinder, powered by a CAT 540 horsepower engine, delivers massive torque at low RPM. Its carbide-tipped teeth rip hardwood roots effortlessly. Compared to ISO shredding standards, this American beast outperforms with hydraulic efficiency and longer cutter lifespan. Crushing may look brutal, but it's recycling in action, turning waste into tomorrow's resources. Support the green cycle by hitting like, subscribe, and the bell. Share your thoughts in the comments below.